So I just got into the Pagani stand so I can take a closer look. I can't step on this, which I understand, but I can record it real close, and the interior of the Zonda R is amazing. No airbag, no anything, you don't need that. I'm not really sure about this flare covering the wheel, but this car is looking amazing. Look at all the carbon fiber details. Again, the whole body is carbon fiber. You can see the titanium exhausts, blue tips, right here. The wheels are amazing as well. Yeah, this car is insane. Look at all the details. I really like Pagani for all the attention to detail. All the screws, everything is just so nicely done. And it's sitting on Pirelli P0 tires. Pretty cool thing. The speakers behind the headrests in the car, and then also the wooden steering wheel and the wooden handbrake and shifter knob. Just adds another level to this car. Alright, as you can see, the Zonda is already under its cover. It's already put to sleep. And I mean, it looks beautiful even under the sheets. Just so sporty lines. And I completely missed it when I was in the Pagani stand right here, but there's actually a wheel, polished wheel, that is maybe on this car, I'm not really sure, or maybe it's actually one of these higher sport, higher roadster. Maybe it's this wheel, I'm not really sure, but overall looks pretty good. I like the mirrors in front of the car sticking out of the cloth cover. Looks like a spaceship with this line and the mirrors.